Have you ever wondered what makes you, well, you? Sure, you might think it's your sparkling personality or your fantastic taste in music, but beneath it all lies the intricate and endlessly fascinating world of human anatomy. What if I told you that you're more complex and awe-inspiring than you ever imagined? Intrigued? Good, let's dive in. Imagine the human body as a vast, bustling city. You have highways, power grids, waste management systems, and communication networks. It's a marvel of engineering and nature, working tirelessly every second of every day. And yet we often take it for granted, but not today. Today, dear reader, we will embark on a journey through the hidden wonders of your own body. We will explore systems that keep you alive, reveal surprising facts that will make you the life of the next dinner party, and perhaps leave you in awe of the marvel that is you. So, buckle up and get ready to be amazed. Our first stop, understanding just how complex and wonderful our anatomy truly is. The human body is a masterpiece of biological engineering, composed of trillions of cells, each performing specific functions. From your toes to neurons firing in your brain, it's a harmonious symphony. Like a well-oiled machine that never stops running. Different parts communicate at lightning speed. Your brain processes information faster than advanced technology. Your heart and lungs work in perfect sync, and it all happens without you even thinking about it. Think about a symphony orchestra for a moment. Each musician plays an essential role, contributing to a harmonious performance. Now picture your body as that orchestra. Each system, organ, and cell is a musician playing its part in the grand composition of life. The result, a seamless concert of biological processes that keeps you alive. Your heart, the percussionist, keeps a steady rhythm, while your lungs, the woodwinds, provide the breath of life. Meanwhile, your brain, the conductor, ensures that every musician plays in perfect harmony. It's a performance that takes place every second of every day without you even noticing. So the next time you listen to a beautiful piece of music, remember that your body is performing an equally stunning symphony every moment of your life. Let's dive into the circulatory system, our body's internal highway. Imagine a vast network of roads and highways constantly bustling with traffic. That's your circulatory system, tirelessly transporting blood, oxygen, and nutrients to every part of your body. It's a 24/7 operation that ensures your survival. Your heart is the central hub of this highway system, pumping blood with incredible force. It's a tireless worker, beating around 100,000 times a day and sending blood on a round-trip journey through your body. The blood vessels, your highways and byways, stretch for about 60,000 miles. That's enough to circle the Earth twice. But it's not just about movement. Your circulatory system also plays a vital role in maintaining your body's temperature, delivering immune cells to fight off infections and removing waste products. It's a multitasking marvel, performing a variety of functions simultaneously. So the next time you feel your heart race, remember it's just doing its job, keeping you alive and well. Section 5, the nervous system, the body's command center. Now let's turn our attention to the nervous system, the body's command center. Picture a vast network of communication lines, endlessly transmitting signals. That's your nervous system, orchestrating every action, thought, and sensation you experience. It's like having a super-fast internet connection, but for your entire body. Your brain, the control room, processes information at lightning speed. It sends signals through your spinal cord and nerves, reaching every part of your body in milliseconds. Whether you're moving your hand, feeling a breeze, or thinking about dinner, your nervous system is hard at work, ensuring everything runs smoothly. But the nervous system isn't just about speed. It's also incredibly complex, with billions of neurons working in concert. These neurons form networks, communicating through electrical impulses and chemical signals. It's a dynamic and ever-changing system capable of learning, adapting, and remembering. So the next time you marvel at a high-speed computer, remember that your nervous system outpaces it every day, making you the most advanced machine on the planet. Section 6. The digestive system, the inner workings. Let's venture into the digestive system, the inner workings of our body. Imagine a complex factory breaking down raw materials and extracting essential nutrients. That's your digestive system, working tirelessly to convert food into energy. It's a remarkable process that fuels your every move, Your journey begins in the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva. From there, it travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube leading to the stomach. In the stomach, powerful acids and enzymes break down food into a semi-liquid form. It's a chemical powerhouse, churning and mixing to extract nutrients. Next, the partially digested food moves into the small intestine, the main site of nutrient absorption. Here, tiny finger-like projections called villi absorb essential nutrients into the bloodstream. It's a highly efficient system, ensuring your body gets the fuel it needs. So the next time you enjoy a meal, remember the incredible journey it takes through your digestive system, transforming into the energy that powers your life. Section 7, surprising facts about the human body. The human body is full of surprises. Did you know that your bones are stronger than steel? That's right. Ounce for ounce, human bones can withstand more pressure than steel. So, next time you think of superheroes, remember you've got a bit of super strength in you too. Another fun fact, your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. That's more than a wine connoisseur could ever dream of. Your olfactory system is incredibly sophisticated, capable of distinguishing a vast array of smells with remarkable precision. And here's a quirky one. You produce enough saliva in a lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools. It might sound gross, but saliva plays a crucial role in digestion and oral health. It's one of those little things we often overlook, but is vital to our well-being. So the next time you marvel at trivia, remember that your body is a treasure trove of fascinating facts, just waiting to be discovered. Section 8, the body's lesser-known wonders. Beyond the major systems, the human body is home to many lesser-known wonders. Take your skin, for example. It's not just a protective layer. It's the largest organ in your body, capable of regenerating and healing itself. Every minute, you shed around 30,000 dead skin cells. That's a whole new you every month. Consider your liver, the body's detox powerhouse. It's a multitasking organ, responsible for over 500 functions, from detoxifying chemicals to producing bile for digestion. It's like having a built-in purification plant that keeps your body running smoothly. Then there's your eyes, which can distinguish about 10 million different colors. They're incredibly complex, with over 2 million working parts. Your eyes are constantly adjusting, focusing, and processing vast amounts of information, allowing you to navigate the world with ease. So the next time you admire a sunset or enjoy a delicious meal, remember the unsung heroes within you making it all possible. Section 9. Changing perspectives on our own bodies. As we journey through the marvels of human anatomy, it's essential to change our perspectives on our own bodies. Often we focus on imperfections or ailments, forgetting the incredible feats our bodies perform daily. It's time to shift our mindset and appreciate the wonders within us. Think about how your body adapts to challenges. When you exercise, your muscles strengthen. When you learn, your brain forms new connections. Your body is constantly evolving, growing, and adapting to the environment. It's a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of human biology. And let's not forget the small victories. From healing a cut to fighting off a cold, your body is a warrior, battling unseen foes and emerging victorious. It's easy to take these processes for granted, but they're nothing short of miraculous. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember to celebrate the marvel that is you. Your body is a testament to the wonders of nature and the incredible potential within us all. Section 10. Reflecting on our anatomical journey. As we conclude our journey through the wonders of human anatomy, it's time to reflect on what we've discovered. From the complex networks of the nervous system to the tireless work of the circulatory system, our bodies are nothing short of miraculous. They are intricate machines, finely tuned to ensure our survival and well-being. Consider the countless processes happening within you right now. Blood is circulating, neurons are firing, and cells are regenerating. It's a symphony of life playing out in perfect harmony. And all of this happens without conscious thought, a testament to the brilliance of our biological design. This exploration should inspire a newfound appreciation for your body. It's easy to overlook the everyday miracles happening within us, but understanding the complexity and wonder of human anatomy can change that. It's a reminder of how extraordinary we truly are. So as you go about your day, take a moment to marvel at the incredible machine that is you. You are a walking, talking miracle, a testament to the wonders of human anatomy. Section 11. The marvels awaiting discovery. Our journey through the human body has unveiled many wonders, but there's still so much more to discover. Science and medicine continue to uncover new insights, revealing the depths of our biological complexity. Each discovery adds another layer to our understanding. Advances in technology and medicine could unlock new treatments and improve our quality of life. The human body holds many secrets, and we are only beginning to scratch the surface. The possibilities are as endless as the mysteries we seek to uncover. The human body is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be explored.